Welcome to Take Two Creations with Manoj and Chetna. Today, I'm actually extremely excited. So, we are talking about a person who came from a small village, Belwa, in East Champaran. A village boy who, in his own words, grew from being a boy who doesn't have the ideal hero face to one of the most sought after Bollywood actors. He always said, I knew that acting was my destiny. He predominantly worked in Hindi cinema and also some Telugu and Tamil language films, and he is recipient of 2 national awards and 4 Filmfare Awards, as well as the prestigious Padma Shri. This person also is a namesake with my co-host Manoj Tiwari. Can you guess who that person is?
Of course.
Please, please welcome Bhiku Mahatre, aka Manoj Vajpayee. Welcome, Manoj.
Hello. Thank you. Chetna. Thank you.
What an intro. And that's your
This is
daughter.
my
What's her
daughter.
name?
So excited
Yeah.
about it. Hi,
What's your name?
sweetheart.
I forgot her name.
Say hi. Hi. Okay. Go. Yeah.
So
She'll be here for some time left.
that's fine. That's fine. It's okay.
Yeah.
I've seen her when she was what, 3 years old, 4 years
Yeah.
old, something like that.
Four. I
Four.
think so. Four,
Yeah,
five
yep,
years old. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
So Padma Shri Manoj Vajpayee,
Yes.
National Film Award winner, Filmfare Award winner, Asia Pacific Acting Award winner, और बहुत सारे जाने कितने awards के विजेता. A highly regarded actor, जिनके लाखों करोड़ों admirers हैं. I'm not kidding you actually. लेकिन इन सब accolades के पीछे who is Manoj Vajpayee? कौन है वो मनोज जिसको लोग नहीं जानते? Is that let me give you a hint. बिहार के एक बहुत ही छोटे से गांव के किसान का बेटा या एक बहुत ही determined and stubborn and passionate man determined to do the best he can to fulfill his desire to be an actor.
Determination. Determination is determination to do unforgettable things, and determined to do things that I have not done before is something, part of being an actor. But who is Manoj Vajpayee is a question, but for me it's very easy to answer. It's very simple also. I'm still that village boy. I still feel that the city I don't fit in. The city life is something which is not for me, not something that I relate to. Still, I have been out since the age of 17 and a half, and I still don't fit in. I still feel that I'm an outsider living in a world where I don't belong. Okay. So there is always an urge to go back to my village or visit my village every 6 months. Every 6 months, I want to go back. Every 6 months, I want to be in my village house. But having said that, I must also say that when I go back, I relate to the place, but somehow people don't relate to me.
Acha. That's a very good point.
So but I speak to them, I talk to them. They look at me as somebody who's achieved, as somebody who's famous, as somebody who's gave them pride. They love me, they adore me, they respect me. They, the young ones idolize me, but there's always, that distance has come. Okay.
So do you think your success intimidates them somehow?
No, it's not. It's not intimidation. It's something relating to another person. Their life is different. Manoj Vajpayee has done a journey which is completely different from theirs. Okay. So they feel proud of you, but at the same time, your life has become completely different than theirs.
उनको ये
It's
समझ
not
में आता
about
कि क्या बात कर रहे हैं, किस बारे में बात कर रहे
क्या
हैं,
बात
उनको लगता
करें,
है
you know, relate ही नहीं, हाँ,
रिलेट
relate नहीं कर पाते।
रिलेट नहीं कर पाते हैं।
हाँ,
और या
तो
मुझे भी ऐसे ही लगता है अक्सर, जब यहाँ से भी जैसे जाते हैं ना, वापस जाते हैं,
हाँ,
वी फील द
बिल्कुल,
सेम
बिल्कुल,
वे, बिकॉज वो रिलेशन,
या,
वो एक ब्रेक हो गया है।
जी। तो
तो
अगर मैं भोजपुरी बोलता हूँ, which is my mother tongue, which is my
राइट,
family's language, whenever I know talk to my people, I speak to them in Bhojpuri. That's my first language. Uh, but when I speak in Bhojpuri in my village, they look at me with surprise and shock. कि यार ये कैसे बात कर सकता है, इतनी अच्छी भोजपुरी ये कैसे बोल सकता है, you know, knowing that that's my language, knowing that, you know, this is how we talk, no, within our family. So
वो
yeah,
एक
I
पता
mean,
है, एक पेडेस्टल पे बिठा देते हैं आपको, वो
अब
एक
मैं
उस
वही हूँ,
जगह पे
वही
आपको
हो।
देखते हैं।
मैं वही हूँ, मैं
अब एक
वहीं पे
स्टैच्यू
हूँ,
लग गई है आपकी वहां पे।
हाँ, मैं वहीं पे हूँ, मैं वहां से निकला नहीं हूँ,
अच्छा,
लेकिन मेरा मन, मेरी आत्मा वहीं पे। और दूसरा मनोज बाजपेयी क्या है, मैं मैं जानता हूँ कि ये सारा कुछ, मुझे पता है ये सारा कुछ बड़ा टेम्पररी है।
माया।
Everything, the journey is going to be very temporary. The achievements and accomplishment, I know, is very temporary. The seeking for a bigger truth is on, and I know that eventually I'll leave everything and go towards that truth that I've been seeking since my childhood. And my guru says
अच्छा,
that's the biggest search, and that's our purpose.
yeah.
Every human being's purpose is the spiritual search, not materialism is only for you to go through the karmas and nothing else.
But what is your search? What do you, so if you believe in karma, I'm going into philosophy. Now you still got me started. लेकिन karma के बाद, as the Gita has said, कि don't expect results, right? जो भी है कर्म है, results अपने आप आएंगे, right? तो आपकी search क्या है? मनोज बाजपेयी
रिजल्ट्स
की search
आएंगे।
क्या है?
मेरी अपनी सर्च, it is about beyond this body.
अच्छा,
What is this body? How important is this? Is it of any importance? Or are we unnecessarily getting obsessed about it?
right.
So we talk about soul, we talk about a spirit. What is that? What is the difference between soul and a spirit? These are the search. This is the search that one is seeking, and this is the truth that one is seeking. This is the truth we are trying to understand every day. I know it's an ongoing journey, and it will carry on. On the side, when I'm doing all the roles, on the side when I'm performing, failing, succeeding, acceptance, rejection, all of that, lows, highs, all of that. But
So
there's a bigger journey that I have been on since my childhood. I didn't know how to express myself about that journey because I was completely unaware of that of the language. But now I think because of certain guidance that I'm able to express myself spiritually.
So when you talk about spirituality, आपकी बातों से लगता है कि you are a very spiritual person and you are always seeking that, like you said, like your understanding of soul and body and thoughts. Let's talk about the actor who's Manoj Bajpayee. मेरा एक सवाल था कि आपकी एक्टिंग में एक ग्राउंडिंग नजर आती है, एक बहुत, हर एक कैरेक्टर में आप इतने सारे कैरेक्टर्स करते हैं, वेरिड कैरेक्टर्स, फन कैरेक्टर्स, सैड कैरेक्टर्स, एंग्री कैरेक्टर्स, एक ग्राउंडिंग है। तो आपकी ये स्पिरिचुअलिटी हेल्प करती है क्या एक्टिंग में, और किस तरह से हेल्प करती है?
No,
मेरे को
definitely.
कभी भी एक हरीड फीलिंग नहीं लगती। मुझे लगता है कि when Manoj Bajpayee is on the screen, he is that character. एक वो हरीड नहीं है कि लाइक जल्दी जल्दी अपनी लाइनें बोलनी है, जल्दी जल्दी अपनी लाइंस बोल के अपना कैरेक्टर को एस्टैब्लिश करना है,
सीन खत्म करो किसी तरह से।
हाँ
वो वाला
मतलब
नहीं।
एक क्योंकि जैसे हम लोग रियल लाइफ में हैं, जैसे अभी बैठे हैं अपनी बात कर रहे हैं, तो हम हैं, तो उस तरह की ग्राउंडिंग क्या इस स्पिरिचुअलिटी से आती है, या देयर इज सम काइंड ऑफ अ प्रैक्टिस दैट यू गो थ्रू टू ब्रिंग आउट दैट ग्राउंडिंग?
You see, spiritualism is one part of it, and no, but spiritualism you become aware of it only, after a few years of really seeking and going towards it. But there are many people who are not interested. There are many people who are not even seeking. But as an actor, when I keep telling my students whenever I'm conducting my workshops, that all the exercises which we are making you do, they look foolish. All the acting exercises in the world, they look foolish. They look, unnecessary. But it's very important that you do them. When you do it, you come to know about the result or impact of it or effect of it only after, say, 3 months, 4 months. And the result is quite, mind blowing. It changes the way you speak. It changes the way you stand. It changes the way you start, you start looking at yourself. All the exercises, the acting exercises, theater exercises in the world are helping you first to understand yourself. First, they always target the person who is doing that exercise. Through yourself, you are trying to understand the world and the characters that you are going to play. Always it happens. It never happens the other way. Through yourself, you try to understand the characters. About doing plays, theater, exercises, workshops, when you understand the character is important, not the lines, then वो hurriedness जो होती है ना, वो चली जाती है, जिसकी आप बात कर रहे हो. Right. When the character becomes important than the lines, then आप जो है character को grounding मिलनी शुरू होती है, character को अपना space मिलना शुरू होता है. पहले character है, फिर बातें हैं, फिर शब्द है. शब्द के बाद character नहीं आता है, character के बाद ही शब्द आता है. ये बहुत जरूरी है.
So training also helps. Training
is the only thing that helps.
Yeah.
And training is not something that for that you have to go to an institute. You can train yourself by doing plays, theater. go to get, choose directors of different kind, be directed by them, gain knowledge from their perspective, from their knowledge, gain, experience from their journey and how they approach characters and the play. All of these things, when you're working with different directors, you're actually working, you're getting to know so many different perspectives. It's not only about कि यार उसने उसके साथ प्ले किया, उसके साथ प्ले किया. जब दो डायरेक्टर आपको करते हैं प्ले, आपके को डायरेक्ट करते हैं, तो आपको पता चला दोनों अलग ढंग से एक्टिंग को अप्रोच करते हैं, सोच रहे हैं. So it's तो ये आपको ट्रेनिंग, लगातार एक्टिंग इज ऑल अबाउट डूइंग इट. आप चाहे जितनी बात कर लो, अंत में करके दिखाना पड़ेगा.
Exactly. that is so true.
पता है हमें, अच्छी तरह मालूम है. नहीं करके दिखाते तो जूते पड़ते हैं.
स्टेज पे उतर के ही से पता चलता है कि कितने गहरे पानी में
है.
So I know कि you started out NST के लिए, right? You 17 साल के, 17.5 साल की उम्र में छोड़ के गाँव. एक्टिंग का इतना चस्का था, जो चस्का इज हमारे यूपी का वर्ड है. इतना वो था कि यू लेफ्ट योर विलेज, केम टू दिल्ली विद नोबडीज हेल्प और व्हाटएवर. तो एनएसडी में 2-3 बार रिजेक्शन होने के बाद यू फेल्ट, आई एम श्योर, वेरी डाउन, राइट? तो उसके बाद आपने एनके शर्मा को ज्वाइन किया कि आई नो यू.
मैं बताता हूँ. देखिए, वो पहली बार जब मैं कॉलेज से निकला, तो क्योंकि दिल्ली गया ही था एनएसडी की तैयारी, एनएसडी के लिए, और 3 साल मैंने दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ाई भी की. और लेकिन पढ़ाई क्या की, मैं सिर्फ थिएटर कर रहा था। उसके बाद पहली बार जब मैंने अटेम्प्ट लिया तो नहीं हुआ, तो उसके मेरे आई हैव गॉन थ्रू अ टेरिबल टाइम। 1 महीने मुझे समझ नहीं आया मैं क्या करूं। आई वेंट थ्रू अ टेरिबल दैट 1 month टाइम आई स्टिल कांट फॉरगेट। द फर्स्ट टाइम मुझे लगा कि मेरे पास में प्लान बी नहीं था, और मैं आया था गांव से, और मुझे ये लग रहा था कि अगर मुझे लग रहा था कि मेरा हो जाएगा और मुझे स्कॉलरशिप मिलेगी एंड मैं दिल्ली में रह पाऊंगा, है ना, आगे एक्सटेंड कर पाऊंगा, लेकिन प्लान बी नहीं था मेरे पास में। तो ऐसा लगा जैसे कि वर्ल्ड केम क्रैशिंग डाउन फॉर मी। इट वाज माय फॉल्ट, बट 1 महीने जो मेरे दोस्तों ने मुझे सपोर्ट किया वो मैं कभी नहीं भूल सकता। उसके बाद फिर एक वर्कशॉप का पता चला जो 1 साल के लिए था, जो एनएसडी के एलुमनाइज और एनएसडी में पढ़ाने वाले लोग ले रहे थे, उनके साथ ज्वाइन किया मैंने। फिर धीरे धीरे वहां पे थिएटर में एक्टिव हुआ। बैरी जॉन के पास वर्कशॉप करने गया तो उन्होंने अपने ट्रेनिंग के तौर पे मुझे रख लिया। एनके को ज्वाइन नहीं किया था मैं और एनके मिले और हमने एक्ट वन ग्रुप बनाया था साथ में।
ओह अच्छा,
जी,
ओह ओके ओके, ये
तो
मुझे नहीं पता था।
वो
एक्ट
जो
वन।
नाम है एक्ट वन, वो नाम जो एक्ट वन है वो हमने लिया था। इनके के जानने वाले कुछ लड़के थे, उनका एक ग्रुप था, वो कॉलेज में ग्रुप था उनका।
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा।
तो हम एक प्ले के साथ, मैं और
एनके
एनके, हम
जोड़े
लोग
थे।
रेडी थे एक पे, हाँ,
अच्छा अच्छा
नेटवर्क
अच्छा।
के प्ले रेडी हो चुकी है। हमको एक थिएटर ग्रुप का नाम चाहिए था जो रजिस्टर्ड। तो
अच्छा अच्छा
एनके ने उन लड़कों से कहा कि यार तुम्हारे हम बैनर को यूज कर रहे हैं।
अच्छा।
तो वो बैनर यूज किया हमने, और उसके बाद वो बैनर ही हमने कंटिन्यू कर दिया।
अच्छा अच्छा
फिर
अच्छा।
वो कॉलेज के लड़के जब पास आउट हुए तो हमारे साथ ही आ गए वो, है
अच्छा।
ना। पास आउट किया हुए सब नौकरी कर रहे थे, तो वो भी बीच बीच में आकर के थिएटर में एक्टिव होने लगे। तो इन एक्चुअलिटी जो ग्रुप बनना शुरू हुआ, तो वो मैंने इनकी ने शुरुआत की थी उसकी।
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा।
बाद में फिर वो डॉक्टर सुशील और आशीष विद्यार्थी एनएसडी से पास होके आ गए। फिर पीयूष मिश्रा जो
पीयूष
मुंबई आ
मिश्रा जी आ
चुके
गए।
थे, वापस मुंबई से वापस गए, तो उनको लगा कि कुछ करूं, तो उनको इनके को जानते थे तो वो ग्रुप में आ गए।
अच्छा।
गजराज आ गया। इस तरह से लोग आते चले गए हमारे साथ।
अच्छा 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 अच्छा। तो ये बताओ कि व्हाई डिड यू स्टॉप थिएटर देन, दिल्ली छोड़ने के बाद? पिक्चरें एक बार
इसलिए
मिली तो।
नहीं, पिक्चरों के अपने देखिए, शुरू में जब मैं आया था तो पिक्चर तो थे नहीं।
राइट।
I have given my life and blood to theater. When I was doing theater, didn't do anything, and I did theater for 9 years.
अच्छा, 9 साल।
9 years, 9 साल। जब से मैं दिल्ली में रहा, तब से मैंने बहुत थिएटर किया। सिर्फ थिएटर किया, बिना पैसे के, बिना ये सोचे हुए कि मेरा लंच कहाँ से मिलेगा, मेरा डिनर कहाँ होगा, मेरा किराया कैसे, लेकिन सब कुछ मैनेज होता चला गया। और मैं सिर्फ 16 घंटे थिएटर करता था रोज। 16 घंटे काम करता था।
कुछ सीखो मनोज तिवारी।
मैंने भी किया, लेकिन 9 साल नहीं किया लगातार। हाँ।
और उसके बाद जब मैंने छोड़ा ना, तो मेरी पर्सनालिटी कुछ उस तरह की है कि मैं बड़ा ऑब्सेसिव किस्म का आदमी, एक चीज के पीछे लगता हूँ तो फिर लग ही जाता हूँ। इसीलिए मेरे प्रेम संबंध बड़े खराब से टूटते रहे हैं। ऑब्सेस्ड हो जाता,
ऑब्सेशन हो जाता है। चलो कम से
आपकी
कम
स्पिरिचुअलिटी नहीं काम आई वहां पे।
एक के साथ रहता हूँ तो पूरा रहता हूँ। इतना रहता हूँ कि वो तंग आ जाते, मेरी बेबी से मिलती यार।
वो रहना नहीं चाहते फिर।
तो कहते हैं कि यार हटो यार, हटो।
Your wife is so
जोक्स
sweet,
अपार्ट
by the way. हाँ।
यार।
Your wife is so sweet.
सो मैं तो जब मैं मुंबई आया तो मैं कुछ भी नहीं जानता था यहाँ के थिएटर सीन के बारे में। तो मैंने सोचा कि मैं क्या करूं, मैं कैसे करूं, क्योंकि यहाँ पे मैं दिन भर खाली रहता हूँ, जाता हूँ, काम मांगता हूँ, काम मिलता नहीं है, सिर्फ यही काम कर रहा हूँ। तो बहुत ही ना लो फील करता था मैं। कहाँ 16 घंटे काम करने वाला आदमी, एक पैसा नहीं मिलता था, लेकिन 16 घंटे काम करता था। वापस जब अपने कमरे में वापस जाने के लिए दिल्ली में बस का किराया नहीं होता था, तो कभी कभी मंडी हाउस के लॉन में ही सो जाते थे, क्योंकि अगले दिन सुबह 7 बजे छाव की क्लास होती। है ना। तो कभी जो है आप पैदल ही चलते थे जहां भी रह रहे हैं, ट्रांस जमुना वगैरह। तो आप बॉम्बे में मैंने शुरू किया, फिर मुंबई में एक मैंने और संजीवा बस ने हमने राम से जीवन की प्रेम कथा करके एक कहानी को परफॉर्म किया, रिहर्सल किया और उसको परफॉर्म करते रहते थे। फिर मैं पूरे दिन एक कैरेक्टर पे काम करता था, कोई भी इमेजिनरी कैरेक्टर पे, और शाम को अपने दोस्तों के सामने परफॉर्म करता था। तो ये सब करना शुरू किया क्योंकि मुंबई के थिएटर सीन के बारे में मुझे पता नहीं था और मैं कहीं जाकर के मैं टकरे नहीं मारना चाह रहा था। तो एक जगह पे मैं और दूसरा ये था कि मैं सिनेमा करने आया था और मैं वापस से फिर से मुंबई में थिएटर सीन में वापस से नीचे से शुरुआत नहीं करना चाह रहा था। तो मैं अपने कमरे में तैयारी करनी शुरू कर दी। मैंने बहुत सारे कैरेक्टर्स क्रिएट करता था, इम्प्रोवाइज करता था, कहानी पे काम करते थे मैं और मेरे दोस्त, हम लोग परफॉर्म करते थे, रिहर्सल करते थे कमरे के अंदर ही, हम लोग बहुत सारे चीज करते
आपस में ही। हाँ,
जी,
नॉट एज अ प्रोफेशन। और थिएटर,
अब कभी वापस जाएंगे थिएटर में? अब कभी वापस जाएंगे थिएटर में?
अब टाइम ही नहीं मिलता सिद्धा, मैं क्या करूं। मैं चाहता हूं लेकिन टाइम की ऐसी कमी हो गई है कि यहाँ पे हम लोग लॉकडाउन में हैं और सुबह जब घर के काम के अलावा और घर में अपना कंट्रीब्यूशन देने के अलावा जो है, कब सुबह होती है कब शाम होती है पता ही नहीं चलता, क्योंकि इतने कमिटमेंट होते हैं, स्क्रिप्ट रीडिंग के होते हैं, स्क्रिप्ट पढ़िए, लोगों को जवाब दीजिए, मेल का जवाब दीजिए, व्हाट्सएप का जवाब दीजिए, फिर वीडियो इंटरव्यूज कीजिए, ये सारी चीजें इट डजंट लीव। मैं लगातार सुबह से मैं बिजी रहता हूँ लगातार। तो और देखिए अभी आप लोगों से बात खत्म होगी और मेरे सोने का टाइम हो जाएगा। मैं सोता हूँ जल्दी क्योंकि 5:30 बजे सुबह उठता हूँ, फिर योगा, फिर मेडिटेशन, फिर मेरी अपनी एक्सरसाइज, then come back, make my tea. By the time they wake up, so the life starts,
going on.
मनोज, एक सुझाव है, और मैंने पहले भी बोला था कि आप यहाँ वॉशिंगटन आ जाओ 1 महीने, सब कुछ छोड़ छाड़ के यहाँ पे हम लोग मिलके, हम, आप, डॉक, चेतना, ये सब लोग मिलके
मैं चाहता हूँ लेकिन उसमें डॉक ने एक बार मुझे, डॉक की बात से एक बार थोड़ा सा मुझे ये भी हुआ था कि आप लोग सिर्फ 2 ही दिन दे पाओगे, बिकॉज यू गाइज आर वर्किंग गाइज।
नहीं, हम लोग रोज देंगे, शाम को देंगे,
हम रोज देंगे, हर रोज शाम को
देंगे ना आप लोग।
हाँ
जी,
हमने
तो मैं उस पे
हमने अमोल पालेकर के साथ किया हुआ है सेम सिचुएशन। अमोल पालेकर आए थे यहाँ पे, उन्होंने 3 प्लेस किए थे, 3 एक रीडिंग,
और 1 महीने में
1
महीने
के अंदर सारे कलाकार रोज रात को अपनी जान खपाते थे, सवेरे 8 से लेकर 6 बजे तक काम करते थे, 6 बजे सीधे रिहर्सल लोकेशन पहुंच जाते थे और रात को 11 बजे रिहर्सल खत्म होता था, 11:30 बजे मैं उनको छोड़ के फिर सोने जाता था।
हे भगवान, आप लोग की बाप रे बाप, कितना कमिटमेंट है आप लोगों का।
थिएटर का कमिटमेंट वैसे ही है जैसा आपका होता था।
जी, मतलब इट्स अमेजिंग। I mean, I was telling Doc also that how you guys are have committed yourself to doing completely unconventional with your life, after a hard days of work. It's quite commendable. ये कोरोना पीछा छोड़े,
I know.
जिंदगी थोड़ी जो है थोड़ी सी नॉर्मलसी की तरफ आए।
बस मेरे लिए एक नेगेटिव रोल रख लेना, बाकी सब ठीक है।
क्यों? आप इतनी खूबसूरत हैं, आपके लिए पॉजिटिव रोल रखा जाएगा।
नहीं, मुझे नेगेटिव करना है, चैलेंज लेना है, बट थैंक यू। ये काटना नहीं प्लीज इंटरव्यू से।
लेकिन देखिए, अभी नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव जो है वो हर आदमी है।
Of course, I agree.
मैं आप, हम हर आदमी के पर्सपेक्टिव से अलग अलग व्यक्ति, अलग अलग तरीके से। अब उसी को हम लोग अपना एक नाटक बनाएंगे। हम कोई लिखा हुआ नाटक नहीं करेंगे।
बिल्कुल सही बात। लव दैट।
तो आपसे एक क्वेश्चन है, आपकी एक्टिंग का स्पेक्ट्रम इतना वाइड है कि बहुत कम एक्टर्स हैं कि जिनको ऐसा मौका मिला जो इतने सारे रोल्स कर सके, जैसे भीखू महात्रे ऑफ सत्या, जुबैदा महाराज टू सरदार खान ऑफ वसीपुर, a greedy politician in Rajniti, a Naxalite in Chakravyuh, and a gay professor in Aligarh. So मुझे नहीं लगता कि इतने वेरिड कैरेक्टर्स किसी और ने कभी किए हैं of so many shades in this industry. So ये अपने आप आ गए या आपको ये सब ढूंढने पड़े or you had to approach people?
Oh my God, Chetna, it's such a fantastic question. Very good question. You know,
ये
it's
मनोज तिवारी का
no, it's a very good question. Whoever has thought of it. But why I'm telling? Because you know, you guys, if you take yourself back to Satya days, what kind of films we were making, you know, in our industry? We were making films which had 5-6 songs. You know, we were making films where there used to be one villain and 2 comedian.
Yes, fight scenes.
And 5 fight scenes and all of that. In that kind of a scenario, after Bhikkhu Mhatre, all I could get was of villains roles with all the big stars, okay, and loads of money offers, you know. But somewhere I was, as I said very rightly in the beginning of our conversation, I was a very stubborn one. I had exactly in my mind what I wanted to do with my actor. I didn't want to get lured by big money offer. I didn't want to get lured by big projects and villains role. I knew that if I start doing that, immediately have a great place to live in. I'll have a bank balance. This is what I was looking for because I was really hand to mouth, you know, really, really hand to mouth. And the money was something which was of prime importance. I was coming from a lower middle class farmer's family who had too many responsibilities. I was also a eldest son. I had too many responsibilities on my shoulder to carry on. But I ignored everything, shrugged off everything, and I chose to wait for the right roles to happen. Every 8 months, 10 months, you know, those roles used to happen. You know, after Satya, Kaun was made by Ram Gopal Verma only, nobody else. Okay. After Kaun, Shul was made by Ram Gopal Verma production only, nobody else. So the offer was not coming from our side. You know, offers which could suit the dream of Manoj Bajpayee, which could fit into the vision of Manoj Bajpayee, they were not coming from outside. I had to wait for Mr. Ram Gopal Verma to think of those things. And then all the films that I have done, from one film to another film, there used to be a huge waiting period.
Yes.
So whatever little money that I was getting from my last film used to make me survive for that long. Okay. So it was all a survival game till the next good thing, till the next good thing, till the next good thing. 6-7 years after Satya, imagine the Satya kind of a blockbuster, cult film, cult character. I used to get out of my house. I used to get mobbed in this country.
Wow.
Okay. But I didn't have a bank balance. I didn't have a car, you know, for a very long time. I didn't have a house. My first house that I bought only 7 years after Satya.
Wow.
You know.
Wow.
Why? Because I was always waiting or looking for the roles that I wanted to play. Okay. The filmography that I wanted to create was a choice of mine, and it's a sheer effort and sheer sacrifice from my side that I have made to create that filmography. I will not give that credit to anyone.
Yeah. Manoj, I tell you, मैंने जो पढ़ा है, you created the path for so many other actors who came after you, like Nawazuddin, Irfan, बहुत सारे ऐसे actors हैं who followed your path. I think you opened the door for so many and you I commend you for what you have done. आपने इतनी
Thank you.
इतना एक इंडस्ट्री को चेंज कर दिया है, फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को, और ऐसे नए लोगों को मौका दिया है जिसे ट्रूली फिल्म को अप्रिशिएट करने वाले लोग आज इसीलिए आपको आपके लिए आदर से, श्रद्धा से नमन करते हैं, क्योंकि जो आपने किया है ऐसा बहुत कम लोगों ने किया है. आई नो एक जमाने में नसीरुद्दीन ने, शबाना ने, उन्होंने एक नया पाथ पकड़ा था, ओमपुरी जी ने, इन सब ने एक नया पाथ, नया आर्ट मूवी चलाई थी, लेकिन यू ओपन ए टोटली डिफरेंट कल्चर, कल्ट जो कह रहे थे ना, दैट्स व्हाट यू हैव क्रिएटेड, एंड आई थिंक यू गेट all the credit for it and you deserve it. So
And
thank you
जैसे
for
कि thank you. And जैसे कि आपने बोला कि बैंक बैलेंस नहीं था, कार नहीं थी, बट आई थिंक एक एक्टर के लिए सबसे बड़ी उसकी पूंजी होती है उसकी वो सेटिस्फैक्शन ऑफ दैट एक्टिंग. तो लाइक मनोज तिवारी ने जैसे बोला कि एक आपने रास्ता जो खोला, तो और उस तरह के अच्छे एक्टर्स को एक मौका मिला, एक इंस्पिरेशन और एक हिम्मत मिली टू ट्राई न्यू रोल्स एज वेल. So
Yes, what has happened that with Satya, Ram Gopal Verma has given the dream to so many new filmmakers who could dare to dream, who could dare to think of telling their own stories. Similarly, with the recognition of Manoj Bajpayee, it has given hope to so many other actors like Manoj Bajpayee coming from theater, that they could really make a difference in this industry.
exactly.
I was on a journey for my own self, but I didn't know that it is actually creating a place. My journey is actually creating a place for so many fantastic, great actors who are waiting in the wings, for one Manoj Bajpayee to make it. So I mean, it has so many people say this, and I'm so happy that it has given confidence, and it has shown way to so many other actors.
So I know Ram Gopal Verma has changed your life and film in Bollywood. इसके अलावा ऐसे कौन से 2-3 लोग हैं आपकी जिंदगी में जिन्होंने you would call कि जिन्होंने आपकी लाइफ को एक डायरेक्शन दिया, इन्फ्लुएंस किया?
जी, बहुत अच्छा सवाल है. मैं सबसे पहले कहूंगा, the person who has shown belief in me, the person who has seen an ability in me, a fire in me, was Barry John. उन्होंने न सिर्फ मुझे एक अच्छा थिएटर वर्कर बनाया, थिएटर एक्टिविस्ट बनाया, बल्कि he has given me different perspective to look at world, to look at theater, look at acting. He improved me as a person. The person that I am today is only because of Barry John. The Barry John for me came as a God's gift in my life. Okay, he was somebody that I was spending most of my days with. After that, I started spending a lot of time with N.K. Sharma. NK and me were two angry people, and we were feeding off each other all the time. Then, Shekhar Kapoor, when he took me in Bandit Queen, my role was fourth most important role. But what I saw on the set, I used to, listen to him very carefully whenever he used to talk. And truly, according to me, after 26 years of film experience, I can say that if there is one truly an actor's director in this industry, that is Shekhar Kapoor. Shekhar Kapoor has really, unknowingly trained me in cinema. He was not even aware of his teaching. Till recently, I started, telling him on his face, these are the things that you used to do. These are the things that you used to say, and he was completely, boggled as to how this actor could, get so much inspiration from the things that he used to say or do on the set. Ram Gopal Verma, I will always feel indebted to that man for, he looked at me, he saw me, he decided that he will make his next film with me. In the time when all the big stars, they look differently. All the actors from the film industry, they look differently. All of them were good dancers. All of them were good lookers. Here I was, and Mr. Ram Gopal Verma decided that I was going to be the main person of his next film. Then I would say that, so many people, Mahesh Bhatt, when he saw me in one of the episodes of Swahiman, he called me over and he said, "Don't leave this city. This city will give you so much that you will be surprised."
Wow.
Wow.
And you did, man. You did.
Wow, you made it.
So Govind Nihalani ji, Govind Nihalani ji, when I met him, he didn't have any other thing to offer me. He gave me 1 minute role. And I took it. It was not his fault. He said, "I don't have any role to give it to you. I have only 1 minute role." I said, Drokal. Ashish was there. Ashish got national award for that performance of it. So I was there for 1 minute in that film. But the respect that he gave me, and then he's done a series with me. That series didn't get aired, unfortunately. But so much love, so much confidence Mr. Govind Nihalani used to give.
Wow.
Mr. Mahesh Bhatt, Ram Gopal Verma has changed my life. I know so many people. But now, Manoj Tiwari, when I take all my inspiration from these young directors, they are so good. Their worldview is so different. So different from Devashish Makhija is so different from Shyam Babu, or different from Govindji. Anurag Kashyap's way of dealing with the script and characters are so different from anybody else. So I learned from these guys, Devashish Makhija, Dipesh Jain, Anurag Kashyap. All of these guys that I'm working, I'm always looking for new directors now. I'm looking for new scripts, new directors. Right now, I'm working with 3 new directors who have written this script, and we are working on the script. So all new directors, only new directors now.
So, एक question है. So these are the influences in your life. पर मुझे लगता है कि even as a human being or as an actor, you have to have a very good constructive criticism in your life. I was reading somewhere, I think on the internet, that आपकी wife आपकी सबसे बड़ी critic है. Talk about that.
When I say critique, it is not negative. Okay.
No, I said constructive.
That's what I'm saying. So critic is somebody. What has happened that in our country, critic is somebody who will either thrash you so badly or put you on the pedestal. She's not. She's a true critic. She will tell me the advantages of it, and she will tell me the disadvantages of it without mincing her words. She will tell me right on my face if I'm doing something which is not right. As a person, as a husband, as a father, she will always point it out. And if I'm doing something, if I show my work to her, she'll be very genuine in her observation, and she will not mince her word. And then we talk diamond dozen, when we are having a tea and coffee, because she's a coffee drinker and I'm a tea person. So when we are having our first cup of tea or coffee, and that is when we are talking, and we are talking about my work. We are talking about the way I am conducting myself as a father, as an actor, as a person, as a friend, as a husband, or the way or the way the world is today. We talk. What happens that she's considered to be very beautiful, when most of the people don't know that she's a voracious reader.
Hmm.
She's a voracious reader. I mean, she reads like, I mean, as if there is no end to it.
Wow.
She's seeking, she's seeking knowledge all the time. She talks about, if she talks about Trump's America, she also talks about both, the Brazil and the Amazon, how it is getting destroyed. So so we talk about too many things. We talk
Yeah.
about world politics and how it is playing out.
And also, she's a wonderful actress herself, so she
Yeah,
knows
Right.
acting, she knows conviction of acting as well.
right. And no, and she just takes it out, and then we have a nice discussion about it. Sometimes I
Yeah.
agree, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I disagree completely, but we have a nice discussion about it,
That's
Yes,
where we are
wonderful. Yeah.
definitely.
where we are enriching ourselves from each other's knowledge and observation.
Yeah. That's
Right.
that's a perfect marriage, right?
I don't know where but in marriage we fight also.
Yeah.
We
That's why
fight
I
too.
said it's a perfect marriage, right?
Manoj Tiwari, perfect. Manoj Tiwari, perfect marriages don't
But
exist.
That is a perfect marriage
but
I'm talking about. When you fight also, right?
yeah, but I always say that she's my best friend.
Nice.
So she's more than anything else. She's my best friend. We fight a lot. We disagree a lot.
Mm-hmm.
But we our life is very but always we are always looking for constructive path all the
Hmm.
time, all the time.
And you're obsessive about her too, right? you,
Yes, yes,
you
Hope
are
so.
obsessive.
yes.
So
Oh
last
yes.
set, I know आपको सोने जाना है तो सोने का time हो गया है. Last set of questions, and these are what I call no explanation questions. You don't have to explain anything. I won't have a follow-up question. Just pure answer. अगर नहीं answer करना है for whatever reason, say
नहीं
skip.
बताइए.
अच्छा. So name an
Okay.
actor or actress you would love to act with again.
Again,
Again, or
Again.
can be that somebody you have not
I
worked
would
yet.
I would no
Any
I
name.
would like I would like to work with in a full-fledged role uh, with Mr. Nasruddin Shah. I will get to
Mm.
learn a lot. I'll get to learn a lot from him. I really feel that, he's at par with Pacinos and De Niro's of this world. It's just that, we in India, we only talk about De Niro's and the Pacinos and Daniel Day-Lewis.
Yeah.
We somehow ignore the gem that we have.
Yes.
Mr. Om Puri is not alive, but no more with us. But I really think that what an actor! What an
Yes.
actor
He
he was!
was amazing.
Yeah, amazing. I mean, oh God, oh God. He was he was a miracle. He was a miracle of God
Yes.
to acting.
And his
And
voice, oh my God.
uh, and I mean, you're talking about his voice. Go and watch Akrosh. There was no
Yeah.
voice. And
Right.
I would like to work with some South Malayalam film directors and some Tamil film directors. So there are some favorites of mine from that world.
Hmm.
I would like to work with Sanal Sridharan. I like to work with Lizzo uh, from Malayalam industry, Gitu, all of these guys, and Vetri Maran from Tamil Nadu.
Hmm.
So Kumaran, from Tamil Nadu. I have too many.
Okay.
I have a long list.
Okay. So, on that note, name an actor or actress you would not like to work with again, if you can answer that question.
That I can't answer.
Okay, that's
That's
fine.
okay.
Okay,
For a
let's
very
let's
obvious. But
huh.
there are few.
Right.
Okay.
Not
I'm
because
sure.
I don't have any problem with them. Personally, it's
Uh-huh.
just that I feel that when I'm on the set, I'm I'm quite giving.
Hmm.
Yeah, you're just doing your job. Yeah.
I'm giving. I want to have a great atmosphere on the set. For
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
me, that's my life. That's my
Hmm.
life, and
Right,
that's a
right.
very precious phase of my life when I'm part of a shoot. And if I feel that some actor or some technicians who are interested in something else, that uh, and not the job that they are assigned to do, becomes very difficult. Then it becomes very difficult.
So
Exactly.
any actor or actress you want to like to act again with?
I would like to work with I would say Nawaz again. I would like to work with Jaideep Ahlawat, who has done such a remarkable job in Patalok.
Oh
I would like to
yeah.
work.
Oh
Yeah,
my
uh,
God.
Oh my
yeah.
God.
Well, I would like to work with uh, Ajay Devgan again. Such a marvelous guy to work with. You
Hmm.
know, yeah. I mean, our
Yeah.
actresses Tabu. Tabu is a very
Tabu.
good friend of mine. It's
Hmm.
always such a pleasure to work with her.
Hmm.
She's so dedicated. She's so much fun also when you are with her on the set. Um, so yeah, I mean,
Hmm.
also the new
Great.
So
actors. I mean, many of you don't know, but there are few actors who are so superlative
hmm.
to work with, or to. I have
Right.
done. I've conducted some workshops and saw some talents. I would love
Hmm.
to work with them one day.
Great. My husband is a big
Um,
Tabu fan, so I'll tell him.
what 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 is your most satisfying performance? Most.
बहुत सारे हैं मनोज, लेकिन मैं कहूंगा कि
Guess.
मेरा जो सबसे डिफिकल्ट परफॉर्मेंस लेटली जो रहा है वो गली गुलियां रहा है।
अच्छा।
गली गुलियां किसी भी समय, अब तो रिलीज भी हो चुकी है और
हम्म,
कितने सारे अवार्ड उसने मुझे दिए और खुद भी उस फिल्म को बहुत सारे इंटरनेशनल अवार्ड मिले। बट मेरा सबसे डिफिकल्ट परफॉर्मेंस हो रहा था बिकॉज वो उस तरह के जोन में जाकर के परफॉर्म करना ना इजी है, ना
हम्म,
उतने दिन तक उस कैरेक्टर डील कर पाना, क्योंकि मुझे 28 या 29 डे पे मुझे, यू वोंट बिलीव, मेरे कान में और मेरे यहाँ पे लगता था जैसे सीटी बज रही है, मतलब यू आई वाज ऑन द वर्ज ऑफ ब्रेक डाउन, यू
वाओ।
नो। सो
अच्छा।
मैंने डायरेक्टर से कहा था प्लीज हेल्प मी बिकॉज आई थिंक आई एम गोइंग टू हैव अ ब्रेक डाउन, रैप इट अप एज क्विकली एज पॉसिबल, एंड देन ही स्टार्टेड, he got really nervous inside, he didn't show it to me, and then he started taking care of me, and
हम्म,
he after shoot was over,
हम्म,
we I had a drink and everything, and first of all I shaved off my beard and had 2 bottles of wine that evening, wrap up party mein, and and literally they actually took me to my room and put me to sleep because that's
Wow.
what I
wow,
wanted. That's what I wanted,
wow.
to really feel easy.
अच्छा।
Um,
wow.
and then next day he came, and my beard was gone, and I just came. I came back from my gym, and he was in the lobby, and then he came to my room. We were having breakfast, and he shown me few of the photographs that his photographer has taken from the shoot, where I'm waiting for the shot.
हम्म,
And he said, do you remember these photographs, these moments when you were waiting for the shot in the lanes of Chandni Chowk in the night or in the daytime? I said, I don't remember. He
Yeah.
said,
wow.
exactly. He said, exactly. All the photographs that I have, I see you in character only.
Yeah. Yeah.
You are sitting somewhere, you are lying down somewhere in the street or in the house, everywhere. And I was, he told me that I was very worried. I was so
wow.
worried that you may slip mentally anytime.
अच्छा।
You were you are in that condition, you know.
wow, very
And I'm
interesting.
so happy. Yeah.
या
So
मुझे अभी
most
देखने को नहीं मिली
satisfying.
है। आई वुड लव टू वॉच इट जब भी नेटफ्लिक्स या किसी पे अवेलेबल होगी हमारे पास। आई वुड
जी
लव डेफिनेटली
जी, अब ओटीटी पे हम लोग कोशिश कर रहे हैं, ओटीटी पे
ओके
जल्द से जल्द किसी पे आ जाए।
Okay.
जब आ
So
जाएगी तो फिर, और भोसले
after
आप लोगों ने
the
देखी कि नहीं देखी?
नहीं, भोसले नहीं देखी अभी, वो भी देखनी है।
so that was the most satisfying performance. What was a movie that you were disappointed with your own performance? Anyone?
You know, Jitna, I can't take that name because the people are so their ego, or they are so
या
sensitive. They will think
Okay,
that I'm
नाम ना बताएं,
criticizing.
लेकिन experience बताएं कि आपको लगा
हाँ,
ये
मैं
movie के बाद.
क्योंकि मुझे ना मूवी के बाद नहीं होता है, 2 दिन के बाद ही लग जाता है आपको कि आपका एक्सपीरियंस बहुत बुरा होने वाला है।
हम्म,
तो कुछ है कि और वो फिल्में भी अच्छी नहीं बनी
हाँ,
और वो डिसीजन भी आपके अच्छे नहीं हुए, बट या आई मीन दैट्स दीज आर ह्यूमन मिस्टेक्स, यू कांट
Human
हेल्प इट,
errors. Yes.
yeah. So you come to know about it in, you know, first day of the shoot, sometime 3 days of the shoot, you just
yeah.
come to know that it's going to be a bad experience. So what do? Then I decide to party.
Of
Yeah.
course, yeah, that's the way to deal with it. So, biggest regret in life?
Biggest regret, uh, biggest regret is that I could not be with my parents most of uh,
Your life.
most of the time after I left my village. I miss their presence all the time.
Mhm.
I really miss the journey of theirs, you know, from being that young to becoming very fragile, old. I really miss the journey of theirs. But they're very old, you know. So I
Acha,
missed
acha. They
I
can't
missed
travel
those
that much.
that journey. I missed that journey, you know. No, because they have I bought a house in Delhi, and this is where they stay with my sister. Because all my brothers and sisters mostly are very close to their house. Getting them to Bombay would not have been a good call, because they were required. Their presence was always required there in Delhi, and also they felt comfortable staying very close to other siblings. We are
Other
six
siblings,
actually.
yeah.
Yeah,
Six.
you are a big family.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we are six.
big family.
Had they been here, I wouldn't have been present all the time because of the
Right.
nature of my job.
Right.
And also Mumbai is a very lonely city for old people. Very,
Yes.
very lonely city.
Yeah.
So you seem like a person who's very satisfied with life. Whatever comes, you hold them by the horn and just go on with it. But is there any wish that is still not fulfilled for you?
My wish? Oh, there are too many things actually.
I didn't
I
expect
want
that,
to.
I know.
No, I want to have a house in the mountain. Okay, that is where I will retire eventually.
Okay, cool.
My retirement house, and I want I one day, if I have money, I would like to open an institute, theater institute, film and theater institute
Wow.
of my yeah. So, but for that I need money. But the day I'll have a little bit of money, I'll definitely open a film and theater institute, and that will be my contribution to cinema and theater.
Can you start
I feel
something on Zoom
yeah.
already?
Huh?
Can you
No,
start something on Zoom?
no. I really feel that the teaching cannot happen virtually.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I thought
Yeah.
about that. I said, no, I don't want to do that. I wanted to do it in person. There's उसमें जो interaction होता है ना सामने when
No,
you
I
see the body.
understand.
Yeah.
But sometimes you can use technology to do
Yeah.
something rather than nothing.
That's true.
So,
Okay, so last question, and then I'll let you go.
Yeah.
What's the major milestone or major project that you have upcoming that you want to talk about?
Oh, major. Okay, everyone keeps asking when is Family Man 2 coming. Family Man 2 will be coming most likely in December or December. It will be December or January. It will come. So
Acha.
the people should be. It's going to be bigger and better because the
Acha.
first one is really crossed over.
Mm-hmm.
It was not only uh, 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 successful critically and otherwise. It has done very well even in abroad, everywhere actually, be it US or Australia or London, everywhere. It has done remarkably well everywhere. So yeah, people are waiting for Family Man 2.
Family Man 2.
Family
Okay.
Man 2 is going to be quite a huger one.
Wow. Cool. Looking forward to that. Looking forward to that.
so before we go, I just want to say I was like so excited to have you on our show. I still am excited, and I'm sure our listeners will be jumping when they watch this show. So, any parting thoughts for them?
I would मैं सिर्फ कहूंगा कि जो अच्छी चीजें हैं जो देख रहे हैं लोग, वो उनको मैं कहूंगा सिर्फ अच्छी चीजों को सेलिब्रेट कीजिए. जो जो प्रतिभा है, जो टैलेंट है, जो क्वालिटी है, उसको सेलिब्रेट कीजिए और ऑलवेज बी ऑन द साइड ऑफ the quality and talent, truth and justice. And if you do that, society will be perfect.
So well said. Thank you, Manoj. मजा आ गया बात
Thank you.
करके. मजा आ गया बात करके.
Thank you.
I really appreciate
Thank
it.
you.
Your time. I know सोने का time हो रहा है. तो
हाँ.
we are looking forward to seeing you here in Washington DC sometime
Yes,
next year.
we are also looking
Yeah.
forward. We are looking forward. You know, more than us,
Yes.
my
The whole family
little
will come.
daughter.
Yeah.
Yeah. We are
Definitely
going to be
going.
there, and we are going to be partying every day with you guys.
Yes.
Okay.
You got that.
Totally.
You got that. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank
Good
you.
night.
Thank you so much.
Good night. Good night,
Bye.
Jitna.
Good
Bye.
night.
Bye,
Good night.
Manoj.
Good
Bye.
night.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.